Okay, three cheap option plays that I am trading this week. My first one will be DE, ticker symbol Deere and Company. This stock has actually been going up and down. It's actually had a pretty good year. If you look at the year range, it was at 210. Well, a year from now, not a year, yeah, a year from now, and it has went all the way up to the highs of 386. And this is another stock that is real good to trade on. Also, it can be range bound. It can go up and go down. So, and when stocks are like this, I like to start off with and I see that it's still bullish. Even bar chart has a strong buy, has it as a 40% buy. I like to start off on right after earnings. I like to start off on the put credit side. So that's what I'll be trading today. And I'm going to go to the expiring October the 1st, do a put credit spread on this. And in order to realize the profit on this, it has to be at 365 by expiration. Now, if I see this pulling back, I can just just go over here to the call side like I normally do and just do a bear call credit spread. If I see it pulling back in order to turn it into an iron condor. Okay. My next one will be Visa, ticker symbol V. Visa not only is a good to trade on, and I've did long calls with Visa, but also it's a good stock to own. It's one of them and Microsoft are dominating to the credit card processing industry. They kind of got like a monopoly. So I like to trade both of those. I like to own both of the stock and I like to trade the option. So let's look at the technical chart. As you can see, it also has been going range bound, and it was at its highs at 249 just in July, and it dropped all the way down to 232. So I think it also has strong earnings, and it looks like it's going to pull back. I mean, it's going to come back. Today is up by 0.9%, almost 1%. And on this one, I would do what you call a debit spread. So I've been playing around with the numbers on this one, and that's not it where I would trade. Let's look at volatility on some of and we're going to I'm going to also go to October the 1st, close to the share price right here. And I would more than likely do a debit spread. So you're going to buy here. I'll buy at the 35. No, I'll say I'll buy at the 30. And I'll probably sell here. Yeah. And I just got to get it to 235 to break, to realize my profit of about $220 expected profit on this trade. Expected loss if it is here at expiration is 230. Also, this is another one that that you can also turn into an iron condor debit, on the other side if it starts to pull back. But if you can get your profit before then, just close out the trade. But I like Visa as a stock also. So if you wanted to buy the stock, you can also buy the stock. But I like to trade the options and for income, and I like to own the stock. Now, my next one will be that I've traded for many years that I've made lots of money on will be Netflix. Now, Netflix sometimes has let me down because it is so volatile. And I did iron condors on Netflix. I did bear call credit spreads on Netflix. I did put credit spreads on Netflix. And let's look at the technical chart with Netflix. As you can see, it's just up and down. It's all over the place. Let's look at 3 months. 3 months was at 502. And the thing about Netflix, you want to stay away from the earnings because earnings can really go anywhere on earnings. Sometimes you can get lucky and trade Netflix on earnings and do real well. And I've did that before. I've I've made thousands. I made over 30, 40,000 just on Netflix alone. So this is what I would do. Start off with the put credit spread, just cheap put. This is below 200. And actually I can make, if it goes to 555, I can actually realize my profit of 198. If it goes down, I can lose 300 just on this amount. But what you should do is just play with the numbers and see what's best for you. If you want to go shorter than this, say for instance, maybe to September 24th, that could be another a shorter expiration date. That could be another good strategy, because you can go here, you go to the put side, you can sell here, buy here. That's just let's see, how much was this? 243. So you can still make a profit. You just got to get the 555, and that's a $245 profit expiration that you'll lose here. But these are my 3 option plays this week that I'm trading, which is going to be, I'll go back over it. Dear DE, starting off the credit spread, Visa, and I'm going to go I'm going to do debit on that one because the volatility is kind of, volatility is right on that. It's kind of low. So see, implied volatility is 19%. And then my next one is Netflix. Volatility is always going to be high on Netflix because of the movements. So those are my 3 option plays this week. Let me know how you feel about this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.